Do you want to learn how to make this crochet square, this really cool little square? Hello, I'm Ju, the instructor at JJ&Y Crochet, and today I'll be here with you in this class, teaching you step by step how to make this little square. Shall we learn together? To start, we're going to get our materials. You can use any material you want to make the square. I'm using yarn with a text of about 380. The crochet hook I'm going to use will be 2.75 mm. I'll put the link to the materials on the screen, and in the video description you can buy to make this crochet square. The color you use is totally up to you as well. So to start, we're going to take our yarn and make the slip knot. Inicial. And a chain with 8 stitches. Close this chain here in the first stitch to form a circle. And we're going to put a total of 16 double crochets inside this circle. And these double crochets will be separated by a chain, so just keep doing a double crochet and a chain, a double crochet and a chain. Keep doing this all the way around until you finish. It will look like this. After finishing the 16 double crochets inside the circle, we will close this round here with a slip stitch. And you'll go in here, look, into this chain space to start the next round, where we'll work groups of 3 double crochets work together. Make 4 chains, and in the next chain space, do it again. A group of 3 double crochets work together. Make 4 chains. And repeat this all the way around. And for those who still don't know how to do it, look, 3 double crochets work together. Just yarn over. Insert, pull the yarn through and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert, pull the yarn through and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert, pull the yarn through and pull through 2 loops, and it will look like this. Pull the yarn through everything, and that's how the group of stitches is done. So I'll keep going like this all the way around until the end of the round. After finishing the whole round, now we're going to do the next round, which is the last round of our square. We're gonna start by making 5 double crochets in this first space here at the base. After making these 5 double crochets, we're going to make 6 chains. After finishing the chains, come back here with the double crochets and make 5 double crochets again in the same space. You'll have this fan here, just like this. And then just make a single crochet in the next chain space here. Single crochet, 5 chains. Single crochet in the next chain space, okay? In the next little ring here, look. Chain space. Make 5 chains, go to the next chain space and make a single crochet. Then you'll have these 2 little chain spaces here. Now it's time to make the next corner, the next fan with 5 double crochets. The 6 chains. and the 5 double crochets again in the same place. The fan will look like this. The 2 chain spaces and the fan again. Keep doing this all the way around. Once you finish the fan, come here with a single crochet, 5 chains. Single crochet, 5 chains and single crochet again. And in the next space, make the next fan of 5 double crochets, 6 chains and 5 double crochets, all right here inside. So I'm going to go all the way around here and I'll be right back to show you how it turned out. And this is the result of our square. After you reach the end of the round, just cut the yarn and finish it off. If you enjoyed this lesson, remember to leave a like on the video for me. Like it, share it a lot. Share it with that friend of yours, with those friends of yours, right? The group of friends who really love crochet. If you're not a member of the channel yet, consider this an invitation to become one. If you're not my student yet, consider this an invitation to click the link, learn more about the Crochet Club, and join too. The link for you to become my student and join the Crochet Club is always here in the video description. That's where you can find all my exclusive courses gathered in one place. There in the club, you will find more than 380 classes where you will find courses from beginner to advanced for you to improve, for you to start from scratch, for you to improve your technique, for those of you who already crochet, who just want to improve your technique, learn how to make your pieces straight and perfect, that don't curl up, don't twist, and don't ruffle. Yeah, rugs, right? Usually that's what we want to make straight. You're going to learn exactly how to do that, right? Placemats. All of that is inside the club, okay? Besides the beginner to advanced courses, there are also practical courses where you will learn my exclusive pieces that I teach inside there. Rugs, placemats, edgings, and borders. Yes, clothes to adult clothes, baby clothes. Anyway, there's a lot of cool stuff. Click the link in the video description to learn everything about the Crochet Club and join. And that's it. Big hugs to you all. Thank you so much for all your love. And I'll see you in the next class. See you then!